Today we're going to continue working on this 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and what we're doing today is we got a couple things. One, we've got one of our windshield wipers is missing a little cover piece. It comes over here, and in the case of this one here, I'm just using a little flat tip screwdriver there. You can see that nut down there is rusted pretty good, and I just want to get it replaced. So like I've done with all my other parts, I go online, one of the Mopar sites, and I ordered the caps. I got just two. I just went ahead and ordered two replacement caps, and then two replacement nuts as well. I think the previous owner may have painted this one just a little bit, just to not make it show up so much with it being colored, because when they come in new, they look like that. Okay, they kind of stand out. There's the cover pieces in the bag there, and I'll have all the part numbers and stuff in the description and how to do this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the hood. I've already actually done that. So let's get this up here, and then I'm just going to talk through because I'm holding the phone today, but these are 15mm nuts here. They're not on real tight. I think 15 foot-pounds is the torque spec on these, and I've actually had these already off when I replaced the air cowl. I've got a video on that you can check on our page. We replaced this to get rid of a buzzing noise that was happening because the gasket here was dried out and was allowing air to push up underneath and vibrate up against the windshield. But anyhow, it's really simple. Just going to take these off, both of them off, with a 15mm socket. I'll replace both the covers as well when I do this. Torque those down to 15 foot-pounds, and it'll be done. I expect the job shouldn't take more than 10 minutes or so. So unless something else goes wrong with this job, this will be the end of the video. If you've got any questions about what I did, or what maybe something you've run into I could explain a little bit better, leave those down in the comments field. Otherwise, I hope this helps somebody out, and you have a good project getting this done. Have a good day. Bye.